Now I may open water valve in order to get a good compaction. Here have water valve, have to open. So seawater is going out, and then I may start. Okay, now it is okay. So I may put sand. Okay, now we are going to level. So always in construction you need to remove all the organic matter, you need to go out. So now this is how we put the last layer. So as you say, it is like mortar, but it is not totally a mortar, because you see we have put cement, water and sand, but it is humid. It is humid but not wet. Have to make it humid but not weight. You see? See? Huh? Yes. There. So, have to spread. Okay. Now, my pad is leveled. It's leveled as you are seeing on the spirit level. So what I have to do it is removing this sand. Now it is very horizontal. Now I can start laying of blocks. Next step is laying blocks. Okay. I start the laying of my honeycomb block. As you see, here it is having anchor, this one. So this anchor needs to go, it will go on the back side. So I lay it like this. And then I have to make sure if this float angle will flush with the wall, if it is first course. Because if it is second or third, sometimes we don't build walls like this. No, not always. But sometimes we may even we may build this wall in inclined way. So, if it is built on the inclined way, we have to respect the angle which will be created by honeycombs. Have to shape it so that the next will start. So that the next will stick or will hold easily. Then I check if it is well horizontal. Not yet. This side, not yet. So this is up. This is down. This is up. This is down. So I have to elevate this side and this one. Then I check. Okay. This need to go down a little bit. And then I may use plastic mallet. Okay. For this first block, it is okay. So in this direction here, it is centered. So it means it is very horizontal. Here, very horizontal. Also in here, the other direction also it is very horizontal. So it means it is well set. This one it is well set. What you have to do it is to put also another one on the other end. Procedure is the same. Okay. Also, you may see here, this direction it is well horizontal. Let's check here. It is also well horizontal. Here the bubble it is between. They are between. So this is how to set the sides. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use a breeding line. And we put the middle ones.